Tweet, tweet, I'm a bird.
This is a cube, and this is a little bird. I'm gonna try and make a little bird from this cube. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
So I folded a bunch of different sized birds to see which one would
Fit.
within the cube.
And this clearly doesn't fit. However, if I put it diagonally from this corner to this corner, the wings do indeed fit, I believe.
So here I'm just marking out bits I want to get rid of and then getting rid of them.
I was gonna put this here, get the clamp it down on the corner, but the problem is, on the corner, there's not much grip, so I cut a little wedge into a wedge, oh my god, so I can put the wedge on the wedge and cut it. Tweet, tweet, I'm a bird. Tweet, tweet. So this is what I've gotten to, and it's obviously not done, but the general kind of shape is there. So now I just need to keep cutting it in closer and closer until it's good. Okay, it's a new day, and I've got some files, and I've just been shaping it and whatnot. It's a bit on the wonk, but I think it'll be okay. Tweet, tweet. Did I do this yesterday? Tweet, 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 I'm a birdie, tweet, tweet.
I scored a line down the middle of the bird's tail that I can use as a reference for when I cut the wings in and when I try and fix that wonkiness of like the neck and tail.
The wing popped off. I didn't even I was just holding it and it popped off. Have to glue that back on. Yeah, I'm really surprised it did that, considering the wood grain. Okay. I glued it together and then put some tape to hold it down, and we'll see if it worked. Yeah, that worked, that's good. Hopefully it doesn't break again. It's been about 2 days? Day and a half? Yeah, I think about a day and a half.
Hee ha. I bet you thought I paused it. I mean, you paused it. Whatever.
It's looking good.
So here I was going in with a file to shape the underside of the wing. I've also done the other wing, but I can't be bothered to show it. Okay. So it broke once again. I think in the same place, but not really the same place. But anyway, it will go on to do this one more time before I realise this wood is not made for wood carving. It's also really hard, and I don't have enough experience in my life to be good enough to use hard wood for wood carving. I need to use a soft wood like pine or something. Maybe, I don't know, I haven't looked. But as you are currently seeing, I put a lot more effort into this, even past this breakage. And when it snapped at the neck, I kind of realised that I'm not really enjoying myself, because each time it breaks, I have to re-glue it, I have to wait like 1.5 days, maybe 2 days, and it's just not enjoyable. But I have learnt a lot from this project, which I won't deny. And there's also other projects I want to start on, and I want to finish this video, so I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to finish it. I'm going to come back with better wood, and I'm going to try again another time, but for right now, I'm going to stop, which isn't very YouTuber of me. but I can do what I want. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Peace out. Don't let the bed bugs bite, or do if you like that. Okay.